So today I'm going to be making a router table for my table saw. Something I've been wanting to do for a while, but I never really got around to it until now. I picked up some plywood from a local rockler. It's special phenolic resin impregnated plywood, it's supposed to be very durable. And I've already got a cutout list for the plywood for all the pieces. It'll be available on my website. You can download it if you want. This is each one of these plywood pieces is 24 inches by 32 inches. So the plans that are available are made for that specific size of plywood. I was going to take two of these pieces, just a little bit of a second one, and the leftovers from the second one I'm actually going to be building a outfeed table for that same table saw at a later date. Okay, I've got all the pieces cut. I've got it set up. This is going to be the bottom section, and I'm just going to mark where I'm going to be doing some pocket holes. Okay, time to glue the two pieces together. And I've been told that this stuff does not accept normal glue. It just doesn't stick to it very well. So they suggested that I use either polyurethane glue or epoxy. And I had some epoxy here, so I figured I would use that. Or if I could figure out whatever glue that they use to attach the price tags, I'm sure that glue would work very well. I'm going to put some screws into the bottom just to hold it a little better. Now the screws are in there, I will move the clamps a little bit because those screws are providing plenty of clamping pressure.